Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to export wallet transaction history from Ace Wallet. To export a wallet transaction history from Ace Wallet, follow these steps. First is open the Ace Wallet application and log in using your credentials. After that, click on View Asset button. Here you can see all of your wallets. Navigate to the specific wallet from which you want to export the transaction history. Now slide the wallet toward the left and you will see 3 dots there. Click on it. Look for an export option or icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots or a sphere icon. Here you can find export transaction option. Click on it. Now select the range of the time from start to the end by simply clicking on this. You can also select the export type. Choose the format in which you want to export the transaction history, which is CSV, QuickBooks or Bitwave CSV. After selecting the format, you may need to choose a method to save or share the file by email, Google Storage, etc. Follow the prompts to complete the export process. If there is no transaction in the date, you will see a notification pop up like this, which says no transaction in the date range chosen. By following these steps, you can easily export a wallet transaction history from Ace Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.